Steph and Gian, it's so great to be in one of my favourite master suites. I'd love to understand what it was that you splurged on and what it was that you saved on.
We've actually decided to pare back. So understanding that, you can have one item that's really beautiful, but you're compromising on, let's say, the coffee tables. Yeah, I got them from Beacon. Those sorts of items were just, like metal, and it didn't necessarily need to be from a high-end sort of place, but it's achieving that dark sort of pop in that corner.
To me, you have real hero pieces in part. Yeah. So the pieces around that really complement those pieces, I suppose.
Yeah, I think so as well.
Sure. I think also the rug underneath the bed, right, that brings out the tones of the metal coffee table. And then a lot of the other hero pieces, like the Taj Mahal pen that we have there, kind of brings out like the downlights.
It's really super minimal. Yes, there are definitely pieces in here that are not as expensive as, a custom Taj Mahal, plinth. But then again, everything else is so pared back.
Gian, what about like sort of the architectural flourishes throughout here? Like you talked about the beams before, obviously, and that sort of thing.
We really did need to make a decision quite early on about the beams, as yes, they do come at a cost.
But I also think a good point is we actually made a compromise. Like I would have actually preferred all the beams to be timber cladded and, and iron bark.
We're renovating on a budget, really.
The compromise was, okay, well, let's actually still have that same aesthetic, still have that grounding element that beams do provide, but we can plaster them.
It sounds like you might not have felt you saved, but there were adjustments that you made. Like as you said, Gian, you were renovating on a budget. I think what you've done is an incredible project, guys, so well done.